If you're looking to build your own direct-to-consumer or DTC online store, then you've come to the right place. Today we're diving deep into the world of direct-to-consumer, and by the end of this video, you'll have a solid blueprint for launching your very own online store. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to pivot your existing business, this video is packed with actionable insights. We'll cover the essentials of building a direct-to-consumer online store. We'll explain what direct-to-consumer is, guide you on choosing a niche, building a brand, and setting up your store. We'll also touch on creating a great customer experience, effective marketing, and strategies to scale your business. So by the end of this video, you'll have a clear path to launching and growing your direct-to-consumer store. What is direct-to-consumer and why is it a game changer? First off, let's talk about what direct-to-consumer actually is and why it's such a game changer in the e-commerce space. Direct-to-consumer means exactly what it sounds like. You sell your products directly to your customers, bypassing any third-party retailers or wholesalers. This model gives you complete control over your branding, customer experience, and most importantly, your profit margins. Why is this important? Well, traditional retail models often eat into your profits. By going direct to consumer, you keep more of the revenue, which you can reinvest into your business. Plus, you get to build a direct relationship with your customers, giving you valuable insights into their preferences and behaviors. According to BigCommerce, direct-to-consumer sales were expected to surpass $150 billion in 2022, and this trend is only growing. One of the biggest advantages of the direct-to-consumer model is the ability to own the customer relationship from start to finish. This means that you can offer personalized experiences that build brand loyalty. Companies like Warby Parker and Dollar Shave Club have leveraged this to create powerful brand communities. This direct relationship also allows you to gather data and feedback directly from your customers, enabling you to make quick adjustments to products or marketing strategies based on real-time insights. Choosing your niche and product. So, you've decided to go direct to consumer. Great! The first step is to choose your niche and product. This is crucial because your niche will dictate your entire business strategy. Think about what you're passionate about and where there's a gap in the market. It could be anything from sustainable home goods to high-end fitness equipment. For instance, let's look at some successful direct-to-consumer brands. Magic Spoon, a cereal brand, identified a niche in the healthy breakfast market and went all in with their direct-to-consumer approach. Similarly, MeUndies took a simple product, underwear, and turned it into a direct-to-consumer powerhouse by focusing on comfort, style, and a strong brand identity. When selecting your product, consider the market demand, the potential for scalability, and your profit margins. Tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and niche-specific forums can provide valuable insights into what products are trending and what gaps exist in the market. Additionally, it's important to think about your supply chain. Can your suppliers scale with your business? What's the cost and time to manufacture and deliver your products? Answering these questions early on will save you headaches down the road. Building your brand. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to build your brand. Your brand is more than just a logo. It's your company's identity and how you communicate with your customers. Think about the story that you want to tell. What makes your brand unique? How do you want your customers to feel when they interact with your brand? A great brand starts with a strong logo, a cohesive color palette, and a clear, consistent voice. For example, Chubbies, a men's shorts brand, built their identity around the fun, carefree spirit of the weekends. Their branding is consistent across all platforms, from their website to their social media, creating a strong and memorable brand experience. But branding isn't just visual. It's also about the experience that you offer. Are you going for a premium feel like Away, the luxury travel brand, or something more casual and approachable like Personal Fave? Define your brand early on and make sure that every customer touchpoint reflects that identity. Consider creating a brand guide that outlines your voice, tone, visual elements, and customer service ethos. This will help ensure consistency as your team grows and as you engage with customers across various channels. Setting up your online store. Now that your brand is ready, it's time to set up your online store. For direct-to-consumer brands, Shopify remains a top choice due to its user-friendly interface, scalability, and extensive integrations. items. However, if you're looking to streamline the setup process, there's an AI-powered option through the Ecom Express funnel that simplifies building your store. Here's how it works. Sign up through Ecom Express. Click the link in the description below to access this page right here. This is the Ecom Express funnel, which will guide you through creating your store. After entering in your email, you'll be asked to provide basic information like your location and the type of products that you plan to sell. The Ecom Express funnel is designed to help you set up a professional and optimized store without the typical time-consuming setup of doing it yourself. Next, connect to Shopify. The Ecom Express platform will walk you through connecting your new store to Shopify. This includes steps like selecting your store's color scheme, adding banners, and linking your Shopify account to the AI builder. Now, unlike a dropshipping model, your focus here will be on showcasing your own products, whether they're handmade, sourced directly, or designed by you. Design your store. Once connected, you'll choose from a variety of templates that align with your brand. The AI builder will assist in customizing your store to ensure that it reflects your brand identity and is optimized for both desktop and mobile users. This is crucial for direct-to-consumer businesses where brand consistency and user experience are key to driving sales and building customer loyalty. Product pages. The AI will help you set up detailed product pages that highlight your unique offerings. Unlike dropshipping, where products might be generic, your product pages should emphasize the quality, story, and benefits of your items. Include high-quality images, compelling descriptions, and customer reviews to build trust and drive those conversions. SEO and checkout optimization. The AI builder will also handle basic SEO settings to improve your store's visibility in search engines. Additionally, it'll help you set up a streamlined checkout process tailored to your direct-to-consumer model. Offering multiple payment options and a simple user-friendly checkout experience is vital to reducing cart abandonment and increasing conversions. Once your store is up and running, you'll be ready to focus on marketing and growing your customer base. The Ecom Express funnel paired with Shopify gives you a powerful foundation to launch and scale your direct-to-consumer brand. For those ready to get started, be sure to use the link down in the description to access the AI store builder through the Ecom Express funnel. This is the perfect tool to quickly set up your direct-to-consumer store and start building your brand today. Creating a seamless customer experience is key to the success of your direct-to-consumer store. You're in control of the entire customer journey, from the moment they land on your site to when they receive their order. So make it count. Start by simplifying your navigation. Customers should be able to find what they're looking for within a few clicks. Use clear calls to action like shop now or add to cart to guide them through the shopping process. Next, focus on your checkout process. Keep it as streamlined as possible. No one likes a complicated checkout. Offer multiple payment options, including credit cards, PayPal, and even buy now, pay later services like Afterpay or Kartra. This flexibility can reduce cart abandonment and increase conversions. Remember to optimize your checkout process for mobile users. A single page checkout design often works best. And don't forget about shipping. Offer a variety of shipping options, from standard to express, and be transparent about shipping costs and delivery times. If you can, offer free shipping. It's a great incentive for customers to complete their purchase. Additionally, make sure to set up automated order confirmations and shipping notifications to keep customers informed every step of the way. Consider adding a tracking feature on your website where customers can easily check the status of their order. This reduces the number of inquiries that your customer service team needs to handle and enhances the customer experience. Marketing your direct-to-consumer store. With your store up and running, it's time to drive traffic and generate sales. Marketing is where the magic happens, and as a direct-to-consumer brand, you have a lot of options at your disposal. Social media is a powerful tool for direct-to-consumer brands. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok allow you to connect with your audience on a personal level. Share your brand story. Post behind-the-scenes content and run targeted ads to reach potential customers. Influencer marketing is also highly effective. Partner with influencers in your niche to showcase your products to their followers. Be strategic about the influencers that you choose to work with. Micro-influencers often have higher engagement rates and can offer more authentic connections with their audience. Email marketing is another must-have strategy. It's a direct line to your customers and one of the most effective ways to drive repeat business. Use your email list to send out newsletters, announce sales, and share new product launches. Personalize your emails based on customer behavior and preferences to increase engagement. Segmentation is key here. Target different groups within your email list with offers and content that are most relevant to them. And let's not forget about content marketing. Start a blog on your website and create valuable content that resonates with your audience. This not only drives traffic to your site, but also helps establish your brand as an authority in your niche. Incorporate video content and how-to guides that provide value and encourage social sharing. A well-maintained blog also improves your SEO, bringing in more organic traffic over time. Scaling your direct-to-consumer business. Once you've established your direct-to-consumer store, it's time to think about scaling. Growth doesn't happen overnight, but with the right strategies, you can steadily increase your sales and expand your business. One effective way to scale is by expanding your product line. Listen to customer feedback and identify opportunities to introduce new products that complement your existing offers. You can also experiment with limited edition items or seasonal products to create urgency and drive sales. Another growth strategy is to explore new marketing channels. If you've primarily focused on social media and email, consider branching out into paid search or even traditional media like podcasts or print ads. Additionally, look into international markets. If your product has appeal outside your home country, consider expanding your shipping options or setting up a localized version of your site. Finally, don't overlook the power of customer retention. It's often more cost-effective to retain existing customers than to acquire new ones. Implement a loyalty program that rewards repeat purchases or create a referral program that incentivizes customers to bring in new buyers. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to building and scaling your direct-to-consumer online store. Remember, the key to success is staying flexible and continually learning from your customers. The direct-to-consumer model gives you the control and insights needed to create a brand that resonates deeply with your audience. If you want to get started with the Ecom Express funnel, then you'll find the link to it down in the description below. Now, this is an affiliate link, which means that we earn a small commission when you use it, but at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you do end up using the link, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Here on this channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce, providing tips, strategies, and insight to grow your online business. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.